Is your printer producing pages with a pink or reddish tint when everything should be in black and white or full color? This is a frustrating but fixable problem. Here's what's causing it and how to get normal colors back. When your printer prints pink, it almost always means one ink color is dominating because another is running low or completely out. Fix number 1. Check your cyan ink level. Cyan is the blue-green ink that balances out red tones. When cyan runs low or runs out completely, the remaining magenta and yellow inks create a pink or reddish cast across everything. Open your printer software and check the ink levels right now. Fix number 2. If you have an inkjet printer, run a nozzle check and then a print head cleaning cycle. A clogged cyan nozzle produces the same result as an empty cartridge. The color just doesn't make it to the page. Fix number 3. Check your color settings. Open your print dialog, click Properties or Preferences, and make sure the color mode isn't stuck on a custom or photo setting that boosts warm tones. Fix number 4. Replace your ink cartridges. If your cartridges are old or have been sitting unused, the ink can separate and print unevenly. For replacement cartridges at up to 70% less than retail, check out CastleInk at the link in the description.